Guys, let's make a piña colada, jello, and fruit salad. Okay, so we're going to begin by making our flavored gelatin. I'm going to be using 1 pineapple and 1 coconut. We're going to begin by spraying our baking dish with some non-stick cooking spray. Remove the excess. So I'm going to begin by making my water-based gelatin. This is the pineapple. So I'm going to be using 1.5 cups of hot water. And just throw it in there and mix to make sure that it dissolves completely. Okay, once dissolved, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of cold water and just mix it. Okay, we can now transfer it to our baking dish. Okay, so to make our coconut gelatin, we're going to repeat the same steps, but instead of using water, we're going to be using milk. I'm going to add my milk. Into this, I'm going to add a little bit of coconut flakes. Okay, so once we have that, we can transfer it to our baking dish. So now we're going to transfer it to our refrigerator and allow it to sit for at least 4 hours. Okay, so once our gelatins have set, we're going to remove them from our baking dish. So just carefully pull it apart and cut our gelatin into little squares. Okay, and I'm just going to transfer them back to my baking dish and do the same to the coconut one. Alrighty, and once we have our gelatin ready, now we are ready to put it all together. So we're going to grab our glass bowl, and I'm going to be adding 4 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. And to that, we're going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed coconut milk. So we're just going to begin to beat until the cream cheese has dissolved. And once it's nice and creamy, we're going to add 8 ounces of sour cream. Okay, and once that's mixed, we're going to add 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Mix it. I'm going to be adding 1/2 cup of the pineapple juice that's in the pineapples. Okay, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of coconut extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of rum extract. And at this point, you can taste it and see if it's sweet enough for you. But I also like to add a little bit of the cream of coconut. So once our cream is ready, we're going to add 2 cans of pineapple along with all of our jello. Okay, so this is all optional, but I also like to add a little bit of marshmallows just to add a little color in there, along with chopped pecans, and of course, coconut flakes. And we're just going to mix it all together. Okay, so once we have it all mixed together, we're going to allow it to chill for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Okay, so I'm going to be adding some fresh pineapple to the bottom of my cup. And then we're going to grab our fruit. I'm going to top it with a little crushed pecans and a little bit more coconut flakes. And lastly, we're going to grab fresh pineapple, going to grab a toothpick, and we're going to top it with the cherry, just like that. And just like that, we are ready to enjoy a delicious piña colada fruit salad.